Good evening. So we will understand now what is penetration pricing. So from the word itself, penetrate. No, in order to penetrate and gain more customers, you introduce or initially offer a lower price of your product to the market to attract customers. So this is the main objective of this pricing strategy, no? To capture a large part of the market by making the product affordable to the greatest number of people. Okay, halimbawa, a new entrance or a new salon offer affordable services at its first month of operation to gain Suki. So this lower price service will make your salon or that salon so attractive to customers. So the number of customers will increase. And by the use of the word of mouth, you may quickly increase your market share. Okay? So lower price helps in your product penetrate the market, and lower price may entice customers to try that new product. So it is also expected, no, that lower price, yes, will attract, no, customers. And naturally, our customers are really looking for affordable prices in which they can save, right? So I have also known a salon here in our locality wherein they use penetration pricing strategy. So at first, their ribbon services is only 1,500 regardless of the length of the hair. So because the price is very affordable as compared to its competitor, which is 2,500 pesos, I opted to have their services, which cost 1,500, their ribbon. So the experience is good. Their services was excellent. I was satisfied by their services. So I became their suki. Then the word of mouth has really increased their number of customers. Eventually, no, they increased their price, no, from 1,500 to 2,000. But some customers became loyal to their services. Okay, now we go to the advantage and the disadvantage of using this penetration pricing strategy. Okay, first is um, it increases brand awareness. So now you offer now affordable prices. So many people will buy your product, no? So they get to know and use your product. They can test your products or your services quality, no, durability, and your excellent services. And then increase market share and sales volume because you use penetration pricing strategy in which prices are lower, you will gain and attract more buyers, no, thereby increasing your market share and also your sales volume. So number of customers increases, and so your sales volume or your sales will also increase. Another advantage is the quick inventory turnover. So this is when we say inventory turnover, this is the ratio showing how many times a company has sold and replaced inventory during a given period of time. So because your product has a lower price, many customers will buy, which would result into quick inventory turnover. Now we go to its disadvantage: prolong the recovery period of research and development and promotion. So you cannot quickly recover other expenses incurred, like the research and development and advertising promotion expenses. Kasi nga, you choose to offer your product initially with lower prices, in which will also affect your revenue. Next is it is difficult to build loyalty with customers. Yes, this is true, especially when you will gradually increase your price. Some customers will keep looking for more affordable prices. The last is a lower price product may equate to low quality. So lower price, we have this in our mind that if product is cheaper, we questioned the quality of that product. Okay, so I hope you understand uh, penetration pricing strategy now. Okay, so that would be all. Thank you and good evening.